Okay, so this is week 3, right? So we have a list of value. If you see something like this, right, it's not error, it's just that it's not enough space. So you double click here, you see a lot date here. Now if you want to enter today's date, right, you can enter, well, you can use a shortcut, control semicolon, right? So this is the current time. Or you can use a function called today, right? Today. And this is 25/8. All right. So the main goal for this week 3 is actually use the sum function. How to use the sum function? We have a lot of order date here. If you want to show the sum function of this list, you can basically say here total, go to F2 total order value. Okay, and right here you can enter equals sum function, and then go to the top, highlight to the list below this here. Well, I think we need to add a few more. Okay, G2 to G25 and enter. So that is the sum function. Okay, this is one way to sum it. Now the other way that you can do, before that, right, let me just go to do some formatting here, align right. So we're gonna enter all these numbers, right? This one you can also adjust it, adjust this, okay? Right here, at this point here, you press alternate equal sign to sum up the value, 16 something, right? So it's not easy to read this value. So therefore, we can actually highlight this whole list and then click on this comma style, right? If you don't want to see the decimal point, you can also remove the decimal point. But bear in mind, even you reduce the decimal point, the company, they still have the 82, right? They still have 82, right? It's just that it doesn't show in the table, right? So, so we show that decimal point, right? Yep, that is the first video on how to sum the value. Thanks for watching.